We see spices every day, but have you ever wondered what they really look like under a microscope? Chili powder, fiery, bold, and full of energy. Under the microscope, it looks like a glowing red galaxy, each particle bursting with color and heat. Turmeric, the golden spice. Even at the microscopic level, it shines like liquid gold, full of life and healing power. Black pepper, the king of spices. Under magnification, its surface looks rough and ancient, like the surface of a meteor from another planet. And then there's cardamom and cumin. Their patterns are delicate, organic, like living structures sculpted by nature. When we cook, we're not just mixing flavors. We're blending entire microscopic worlds. Next time you taste your favorite curry, remember, you're enjoying the beauty of the unseen world. A glimpse into the microscopic world of spices. Subscribe for more unseen worlds.